Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Kason and that is my Tacoma. My son playing in there. He's helping me out today. Got him distracted with playing with all the fun stuff inside the truck. Today, we're gonna be going over 3 of my most underrated mods that I've done or put in my truck. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Ignore the mess. Got all my straps in here. Number 1's gonna be my front molly panel that I put on my truck bed. Up here, I mean, you can already kind of tell we've got everything kind of weirdly strapped in here. We're still getting used to the move. I'm trying to find a place for my camper bed. So anyway, this front molly panel has surprised me in its utility. When I first bought it and put it on my truck, really the only use that I had planned for it was to have my traction boards up here and have a place for my traction boards to sit strapped in. So over the years, if things have evolved and my needs have changed, obviously we've been able to hook things up to it and keep it nice and sturdy, strapped down to this front molly panel. It gives you all these different loopholes, I guess you could say, and more anchor points for me to strap stuff down. So it surprised me in that way, and it's been very nice and has provided me with a lot of utility and a lot of use out of this thing. I really like it. I'm very pleased with it. I got it from Body Armor 4x4. Here's the video for it. I'm sure I'll put something to pop up. If you guys want to go check out that install video, it was really fun and really easy to install, especially with the rail system that I have. So what do you guys think? What do you think? What is your most underrated mod on your truck? Leave it in the comments. What do you think of the molly panel system? I'm thinking about getting some side molly panels too, just because it's been so nice having this front one on here. Who knows? That could be, part of the future build. But let's go ahead. Let's jump into number 2. And this one might surprise you guys. It is part of my interior accessory video that I did. It is my cup holder. Let's take it out. So it really does just slide right out with the little grooves right here. And then these arms retract. It's hard to do with one hand. There we go. So you can fit like big water bottles in the cup holder up there, as well as small ones, and it holds it in really well. This has surprised me quite a bit. When I bought it, it was kind of a pair with the organization in the glove box and like the interior lighting in my truck. I kind of bought all those together. So this little mod, this cheap mod, I'll throw it up here, and everything will be linked in the description. If you use the links, thank you so much. Modifying so I can have extra cup holder space and actually keep the drinks safe and steady when you're going off-road and whatnot. This has worked really well. I've been very pleased with it, very happy. And it's just one of those underrated things that I don't think a lot of people talk about that adds a little bit of extra comfort when it comes to just having a drink be safe in your truck when you're going down the road. So very cool. It's built well. It's just plastic. It hasn't broke on me, so slides right in. So awesome. You guys know I love plug and play stuff, and that's really what it is. I'm just gonna plug it right back in and go to town. Let's go ahead. Let's jump over to number 3. I've touched on this before, and I'd like to end the video showcasing the footwell LEDs. All right, like I said, I've touched on these before. I'll leave the videos. Let's get this stuff out of the way. Check out the cool Hot Wheel cars. The other day I was vacuuming in here, and I know it doesn't look like it. I've had the dog back here and whatnot, but the footwell LEDs really illuminate the space down below, and it surprised me. Detailing cars in the past without LEDs down on the footwells, it's actually kind of hard to see stuff down at the bottom of your floor. But with these footwell LEDs, I was surprised. I was just like shocked. I'm like, holy cow, I've detailed so many cars, yet here I am having these LEDs in the back. Helped so much when it came to just a simple vacuum of my truck, vacuuming it out. And so it's so underrated because most people put these, footwell LEDs as a way to just add some ambient light. There you go. in their truck, in their car, whatever. And these awesome VLED footwells, these plug and play LEDs that I added, do that. They do add some ambient light, and it's very nice in the cab. But there's also that utility of showing me what's on the floor, and at night, especially when it comes to grabbing stuff, when we're ready to go out and go on an adventure, I'm able to see it. I don't know how else to explain it to you guys, but that's very cool. That's very nice. I don't know about you, but I like to see what I'm grabbing. So not only does it look cool, not only does it function really well with the plug and play into my truck, but it also adds the ability to help me see, which I think is pretty cool. It's a little underrated. A lot of people talk about them, but the utility use that you get out of them as well. So very cool. I love them. You guys know I have a bunch of videos installing these, installing more of these, and touching on them just a little bit. But after having them over the years, it's been very, very nice just to have that added touch in here. And I'm going to add one honorable mention here towards the end of the video, and that would be the fog lights down here. I think I've only touched on them once in the past. I installed these yellow amber fog lights, which are incredibly bright, and I've been super happy, very pleased with them. They've helped in so many applications at night, even during the day when it's super dusty in front of me, kind of like a chase light for the people in front of me that can't see with all the dust in front of me. When my friend's driving in front of me kicking up dust, I'm able to kick on those fog lights during the day and have them as a way for people just to see me, you know, be able to see me through the dust and either stop or help me get out of the way. So there we have it, just kind of an off the cuff quick video for you guys. Check out this cool find I found the other day. That's on the second channel. That's on the other channel with my best friend Hunter. Anyway, I thought I'd show you guys that. It's kind of cool. I enjoy those kind of things. But let me know what you think down in the comments. Be sure to like the video. Subscribe for more. I have plenty of videos coming our way to the channel, you guys. We're going to be replacing my lower ball joints here pretty soon. I have gear coming on the way, which I'm so excited to show you guys. It's just taking time, which is one of the things I struggle with, is patience and just waiting for things to get here to show you. So I hope videos like this really help fill the in-between time for awesome, cool videos of gear and installs, because I know you guys like those videos the most. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you do snag some merch or use the links down below, it supports me directly, and I appreciate you more than you know. It means the world. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.